Ciao. Go back to the doctor.
Yeah, we're gonna go eat something and we've got some work
Lupe.
to do.
Okay.
Is that Lupe? Hi, Lupe.
Yes.
You got an awesome little girl.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I thought she was down there talking y'all head off.
No,
Okay, let me
we
call
were-
her down.
We were really having a nice
Oh,
conversation.
I'm sorry. I was like, they
She's
put
so
they might.
nice. Yeah. She's so unafraid, which is lovely. Stop. She
Thank
just
you.
made friends with us, so it's cool.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's amazing. We'll be seeing y'all.
Yeah, see you soon. See you
Ciao.
soon.
Lupita, tranquilo. Tranquilo. I'm debating if I want to get back in the water.